Peace be upon you. Klarna is the largest financing company in Sweden and Western European countries. It was established as a payment bank but is generally referred to simply as Klarna. The company provides online financial services such as online payment solutions, direct payments, post-purchase payments, and more. It was founded by a young Swede named Sebastian Siemiatkowski, who was 22 years old when he established his company in 2005. By 2019, he had become a billionaire with a fortune of nearly $4 billion, or about 40 billion kroner, at the age of 38. Sebastian is the founder of Klarna, and he came from a low-income family in Sweden. He and his family lived on welfare for long periods. He graduated from Stockholm University, where he studied economics, and decided to create a company that would help increase shopping opportunities for employees and people with limited income. Belonging to a low-income family always made him remember his father's words. We can only buy things when we get paid at the end of the month. This is where the idea of creating Klarna as an online payment bank came from. And it was this idea that led to the emergence of the giant in online finance and payments. Klarna allows you to buy now and pay after 14 days with no fees, or after 2 months for a fee of 29 kroner. You can also get financing for installment payments in exchange for interest. The company quickly expanded from Sweden to 5 other countries in Europe. The company has received a little over $290 million in funding from 6 different investors. In 2016, the company launched a new product in the United States and Europe that allows buyers to obtain a loan from the company. As a result, many e-commerce companies now offer lines of credit through Klarna, which has also obtained a banking license in Europe and is currently working on providing loans in the United States through WebBank. The company is also currently considering acquiring its own bank in the United States. Its ultimate goal is to replace traditional credit card companies with a method of financing online payments. This is a bold way to determine the creditworthiness of buyers. It is one of the biggest innovations. This is the main reason why venture capital firms like Sequoia were attracted. No other online company assumes the level of risk that Klarna does with this approach. This is what has made the company a leader in its category. And it seems that their approach is working well. The company has seen a default rate of less than 1% up to the date of this video. That's less than half the default rate of credit cards. What sets this payment method apart are the following 3 features. Pay later, pay in installments, pay directly. If you want to buy from a certain website like Wish, Moderniza, or any other site, you can easily order the goods, enter your address, and choose to pay through the Klarna app. The seller will immediately ship the goods to you without requiring any payment after your order arrives from the internet. If there is any problem with the goods or they are not suitable, you can return the items and stop the payment through the Klarna app. And if the goods are suitable and you like them, you can easily pay the amount to the company directly or in installments. What exactly will happen if you choose to shop and use Klarna? The store will promptly send the purchased goods directly to you, and you will then receive an important email and a clear message from Klarna containing all the necessary payment details. All you have to do is simply pay the invoice amount, and Klarna's various fees and operational profits are exclusively charged to the seller, not to the individual customer. And please don't worry at all about paying any additional or hidden fees whatsoever. You can also conveniently view all your invoices, meticulously arrange flexible installments, or even temporarily pause payments through the user-friendly Klarna app by easily downloading it for both Android and iPhone mobile devices, ensuring complete